Hello, this is Charlie Bluehawk for HonestGovernment.org, brought to you by Meridian Southwest Incorporated. Today is December 7th, 2004. We have a press release tonight from the United States Green Party. Members of Congress to take sworn testimony on Wednesday, December 8th. Washington, D.C. On Wednesday, December 8th, Representative John Conyers, Democrat, Michigan, and other members of Congress will hold a members' briefing to investigate the voting irregularities in Ohio during campaign 2004. It will take place on December 8th, starting at 10 a.m. in the Rayburn House office building in Washington, D.C. Although this is not a formal hearing, because the Republican head of the Judiciary Committee has not given it his blessing, it will nevertheless take sworn testimony about issues that deserve public scrutiny. Democratic Representatives Melvin Watt, Robert Scott, and others will be involved with the hearing. Among the invited speakers are David Cobb of the Green Party, the Reverend Jesse Jackson, Ralph Neas, President, People of the American Way, John Greenbaum, Director, Voting Rights Project, Lawyers Committee for Civil Rights Under Law, Ellie Schmiel, Executive Director, The Feminist Majority, Bob Fotakis, The Free Press, Cliff Arnbeck, Arnbeck Associates, John Bonifaz, General Counsel, National Voting Rights Institute, and Counsel for the Green Party's recount efforts in Ohio, Steve Rosenfeld, Producer, Air America Radio, Shanta Walcott, Communications Director, Zogby International. In the interest of fairness, Ohio Secretary of State J. Kenneth Blackwell also has been invited to attend. For more information on this and other stories, please see the United States Green Party, or visit our video archive files here at HonestGovernment.org. This has been Video Archive File number 104. For HonestGovernment.org, I'm Charlie Bluehawk. Good night.